Hello and welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we are going to be taking a look at a brand new 2026 Toyota GR86 manual transmission in the base package, finished in halo white. Got our LED headlights up front as well as these vents beneath and the GR badging up front. We have got our 17-inch alloy wheels here on the sides, as well as more vents behind the wheels for aerodynamics. Got heated side view mirrors. Coming along to the back here, we've got our GR86 badging, our backup camera, and our dual exit exhaust. Under the hood of the GR86, we get a 2.4-liter boxer engine producing 228 horsepower and 184 feet-pound of torque, delivered by a 6-speed manual transmission. In the interior of the 86 here, we've got a water bottle storage pocket in our doors, all of our window controls, our rear hatch button, our all-weather mats for those harsh Albertan winters, and this cozy durable cloth seating. Got manual seat controls for both of the front occupants. Got a push button start here. Nice little animation for our digital gauges. All of our audio controls on that side and driving assist, as well as cruise control there. Get this nice 7-inch infotainment screen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with our backup cam. Got all of our cabin air controls there. Got our traction control and different drive selection modes, as well as plenty of USB-C charging ports, as well as our cup holders stashed in there. There's our front license plate holder and tow hook that comes with the vehicle. All of our cabin lighting up there. And here are the rear seats. And coming into the trunk, we've got our summer mats, and that has been the Toyota GR86 manual transmission in the base model. Thank you for checking it out, and as always, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.